You signed Jesse Vargas when he turned pro. He trained with your uncle Roger. Now he's fighting Pacquiao. What do you think of that?
May the best man win. You know, may the best man win.
Is he in over his head?
Out of all the fighters that I've faced throughout my career, Pacquiao is one of the best fighters. He's one of the best fighters. His movement, and he's fast. He got good movement. You got to realize the power comes from the legs and how he turns his shots.
What did you tell Josue tonight? I know he made a mistake in the ring and he paid the cost tonight. What did you tell a young guy like him?
What I tell Josue is this: you live and you learn. A lot of times we have to make certain changes once we turn professional. You know, a lot of times we work with our team in amateur. A lot of times when we turn professional, we want to keep that same team. Sometimes we got to just tweak the little small pieces so we can get over that hump. And I feel like the fight tonight should have been a no contest because the guy that he fought, he shouldn't just be a professional fighter. He should be in Hollywood for all that acting.
I saw him winking at his corner when he was trying to get up.
I got that on camera. He looked at and winked at them.
But you know, you live and you learn. Shit happens. This boxing, and we move on to another day. I love to help these guys.
Right.
I love to help these fighters. Of course, you know, I'm well off, blessed way beyond belief. Strong team, smart team, and as you can see in my post, you know, what I had him post on social media, I told him before, you know, I've been through a lot. Mother on drugs, dad been shot, dad been in prison. I lived 7 deep in a 1-bedroom, and I quit school just so I can give my family a better life and put them in a better position. And like I said before, not bad for an $800 million dropout.